Assalamualaikum guys, kembali lagi di channel Cahaya Rizka. Kita mengucapkan selamat Hari Raya Idul Adha untuk tahun 2021 ini, dan selamat berkurban buat kalian semua. Ikuti terus videonya ya, bagaimana suasana lebaran di Banda Aceh untuk tahun ini.
Come back, be with me. I just wanna behold you. Time to say goodbye you, to your love again. Missing you, I'm missing you. Come to me again. Come on baby, let it go. Make me fine again. Love is you. Make you feel love again. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Baby, come on, baby. Just to my world, talking to my eyes, oh no. I need you, girl. Stay here, lady. I need you, girl. Save me, lady. I need you, girl. Come on, baby, let's go party. Time to let it go. You are my only you, girl, my baby, girl, 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 girl.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through, only cause you set up the angle. Web that you weave got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa, that's yours, but
Oke
I'll
guys,
keep
inilah
doing
suasana
mine.
Pasar Al-Mahirah untuk malam Lebaran Idul Adha 2021.
You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now.
Pasar daging
You'll be
ayamnya.
living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need
Ini
any
pasar sayurnya
timeline
guys,
to
tapi sudah
prove
banyak
that
yang
this
tutup.
is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection. What is it we chase?
Ini
Bow for
adalah
the 15
pasar sayur
seconds
dan
of
ikan.
fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says